Hello, this is video 3 for Math0302 beginning Algebra Chapter 5, Sections 5 and 6. In this video we're going to talk about how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. We want to divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. Distribute the division of the monomial. Now notice that this only works if you have a single term in the denominator. In other words, it's a monomial. So a plus b plus c all over d is the same thing as a over d plus b over d plus c over d. Now notice that this only works if the denominator has a single term. Okay, look at practice 2. It says divide 8t cubed plus 4t squared by 4t squared. I'm going to write this down how it says. So we have 8t cubed plus 4t squared, and we're dividing, so divided by what it says, which is 4t squared. Notice that the denominator just has a single term. There's no addition or subtraction in there, which means we can write this actually as 8t cubed divided by 4t squared, and then because there's a plus here, that means that there's a plus here, then this numerator 4t squared divided by the denominator 4t squared. And then we do the division. What is 8 divided by 4? Well, it's 2. T cubed divided by t squared. Well, what's 3 minus 2? 3 minus 2 is 1, so this is t to the first power, but we don't write to the first power. Then we have plus 4t squared divided by 4t squared. Well, 4 divided by 4 is 1, t squared divided by t squared is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. So your answer here is going to be 2t plus 1. Next, look at 16x to the 16x to the 6th plus 20x cubed minus 12x all over negative 4x squared. Okay. This is 16x to the 6th divided by negative 4x squared plus the 20x cubed divided by negative 4x squared, then minus the 12x divided by negative 4x squared. Now notice that I can only do this because the denominator has no addition or subtraction within it. Okay. Now notice that there is a minus sign here, but that just makes this 4 to be a negative. Then we do the division. What's 16 divided by negative 4? Well, it's negative 4. X to the 6th divided by x squared. 6 minus 2 is 4, so this is negative 4x to the 4th. Plus 20 divided by negative 4. 20 divided by negative 4 is negative 5. X cubed divided by x squared. 3 minus 2 is 1, so it's x to the first power, but I don't put to the first power. Then minus 12 divided by negative 4 is negative 3, and then x divided by x squared, 1 minus 2 gives me negative 1. Then I simplify a little bit further here. So this is negative 4x to the 4th. Plus and negative is just minus. Then we have the 5x, and minus and negative is plus. But notice that this x needs to go to the denominator still, so that 3 stays in the numerator with the x going to the denominator. And the reason that x went to the denominator but the 3 stayed up there is because the base for this negative 1 exponent is x. That 3 is not part of the base for the exponent, so only the base went to the denominator. Alrighty, let's look at this last one here. X squared y squared minus xy cubed all over xy. Again, notice that in the denominator there's only one term. There's multiple factors, but that's fine. There's no addition or subtraction here. So what we're going to do is we're going to write this as x squared y squared divided by xy minus xy cubed divided by your denominator of xy. and then you do the division. X squared divided by x is x, y squared divided by y is y, minus x divided by x, they actually cancel each other, and y cubed divided by y is y squared. Notice that that's going to give me xy minus y squared. Because the exponents are not negative, this is the answer. Alrighty. Well, that does it for Chapter 5. I'm going to go ahead and leave off here, and I will see you all next time. Bye.